Hello guys, welcome to TechBait. Today I'm going to show you how to use UIAlertController in Swift. So let's open up Xcode and create new Xcode project. Select single view app, give next to give a product name, let it be alert. Make sure you have selected Swift and give next and create. Now go to main the storyboard. Here what we're going to do is we're going to add a button here. When user clicks on button, the alert controller will pop up and we will change the background color of this view controller to the actions of that alert controller. So just drag a button into view controller. Okay, let's set constraints for that left, right, top and height. Now let's change background color of this button. Now give it text here for button like change color and we are going to change the background of this view controller as black. Now using assistant editor, let's map this button to view controller. We will create one outlet button and also one action for the button. Like button clicked. Now in view controller, we will go in action of the button. We'll create a alert controller. Let alert is equal to is of a type UIAlertController. Select the last one. Title is going to be simply welcome and message is going to be do you want we see our view controller background BG is yellow. Prefer style, let it be alert. Now let's create action. We're going to add action to this alert. Alert dot add action is type of a UI alert action. Now here title is going to be, the first option is no, I don't want the VCBG as yellow, and style cancel. Handler is going to be just double click on that one. So I don't want the VCBG as yellow, so I would like to keep the BG as black. So view dot background color is equal to dot black. Now I'm going to add one more action, alert dot add action. Same is like a UI alert action. Title is going to be yes, I would like to change the BG color as yellow. And style, select default and double click here. So our view background color is going to be yellow. Okay, now we successfully created our alert and actions. Yeah, we need to add self in front of this view because we are declaring this one instead of closer. Now we need to present this alert. For that, present. Here viewController is going to be our alert. Animator, yes, true. Completion, nil. Now let's run the project. Wait. There is some error. Okay. Okay, now our background means the viewController background is in black. Now I'm going to click change color. See, the alert controller is popping up. Welcome. Do you want VCBG as yellow? No, I don't want to change. So it's in black. I'm clicking again. I'm clicking now yes. So the BG become yellow now. I'm clicking no here. Do you want VCBG as yellow? No, it's become black. So guys, this is how the UI alert controller works. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe.